everybody, this is Tulsi and today I'm in Pécs. I just arrived Pécs and I will be starting my day with a very good lunch here. So let's get going. I'm going to Rundo here and let's see what are they offering. How did you like the goulash?
Very good, strongly recommending. Very meaty flavor. Very good.
Yes, perfect.
Very nice.
Tony, what do you think about Pécs?
Beach is very nice. It's very beautiful. I like the construction, I like the architecture. It's very clean as well. And right now that we're seeing this plaza just behind us, it just looks amazing. So far, what the little that I've seen is I like it.
So let's go towards the plaza?
Let's go.
Let's go! I'm right now at the Kirai Street in Pécs. and today is Saturday, so it's a weekend, and there is a very good amount of people outside today, and the weather is fantastic. The cafe right behind me is called as the Caflisch cafe, and this cafe is the oldest cafe in Hungary. So let's go and check it out inside. I would say Pécs is a very pretty and extremely beautiful city of Hungary. So I absolutely liked it. The weather today is fantastic. So I definitely recommend Pécs to come and visit. It's a very beautiful city and you're gonna love it. There's a lot of people, there's a lot of beautiful restaurants and cafes that you can try. And the city center is so amazing. So I think it's a very perfect thing that you can do for like a day trip. So that's all from my side today from Pécs, and if you did like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again on my next video. That's it, goodbye.